Want to earn passive income while you sleep? Let me show you some Honeygain tips and tricks that'll help you maximize your earnings and get the most out of this app. Stick around and I'll share the easiest way to get started. Plus, I'll show you how to earn even more. Before we jump in, if you haven't signed up for Honeygain yet, check out the link in the description. By signing up today, you'll get a $5 startup bonus just for getting started. First off, if you're new to Honeygain, it's an app that lets you share your unused internet bandwidth and earn money passively. Sounds simple, right? You don't need to do much once the app is installed. Just let it run in the background while you're going about your day. You can earn without lifting a finger. To maximize your earnings, the first thing you want to do is optimize your network. The more devices you have connected to Honeygain, the more bandwidth it can share, and the more you'll earn. So make sure to install it on your phone, laptop, tablet, or any other device you can spare. Pro tip: use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for better efficiency. Your location can actually play a part in how much you earn. Honeygain shares your internet connection with companies needing it for research. So the more spread out your network is, the better. Want to boost earnings even more? Consider using a VPN to appear in different regions and get more opportunities to share your bandwidth. But remember, don't overdo it to avoid violating Honeygain's terms of service. Now here's where you can really level up: the referral program. You can refer friends, and for every person who signs up through your link, you earn extra money. It's a win-win for you and your friends. The best part? The more referrals you get, the more you can make, all while you keep earning passively. One simple way to keep your earnings up is by making sure Honeygain is always running in the background. If the app isn't running, you're not earning. Set it up so it starts automatically when you turn on your device to ensure you're always earning. Another great way to boost your earnings is by using multiple devices. Install Honeygain on every device you have, and you'll start racking up credits faster. It's like having your own little passive income army. Finally, let's talk about how to withdraw your earnings. You can choose between PayPal or Bitcoin for withdrawals. Just keep an eye on exchange rates when using Bitcoin to avoid any fees. Pro tip: withdraw when the rate is right to maximize your payout. So there you have it. Some simple but effective Honeygain tips and tricks to help you earn more.